Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most honest and detailed beauty reviews. Have you ever found yourself in the middle of a beauty aisle, wondering if that new lip gloss can actually deliver on its promises? Well, today, we're checking out the ZOYA Lip Gloss in the shade Luvie to see if it's more than just a pretty color in the tube. Is it really as hydrating and protective as it claims? Let's dive into the details. ZOYA Lip Gloss in Luvie is a product designed to not only add a gorgeous shine, but also provide intense therapy for your lips. This lip gloss promises hydration, protection, and a pop of color, all in one sleek tube. The shade Luvie is described as a versatile, everyday color that complements a range of skin tones. It's a 0.42 ounce gloss that focuses on delivering a smooth, non-sticky texture while offering therapeutic benefits to your lips. The formula is infused with ingredients that aim to moisturize and protect lips from dryness and environmental stress. ZOYA claims that their lip gloss has intense therapy properties, which suggests it may offer more than just a superficial shine. But does it really live up to that claim? Now, let's talk about real-world usage. When I first applied the gloss, I noticed the smooth texture. It goes on easily and provides instant hydration without feeling too heavy or greasy. The color is buildable, so you can go for a soft wash of color or build it up for more intensity. Throughout the day, it didn't feel drying, and my lips didn't feel like they were being sucked dry, which is often the case with some other glosses. The gloss does wear off after a couple of hours, but that's typical for most glosses unless they're formulated to be longer lasting. However, the hydration factor stuck with me even after the gloss faded, which is a nice bonus. It's perfect for a quick, everyday look when you don't want to commit to a heavy lipstick, but still want something that adds color and keeps your lips moisturized. In terms of pros, I have to say that the hydration is definitely a highlight. It feels nourishing, which I wasn't expecting from a gloss. The color, Luvie, is soft yet rich, and it looks natural, which is ideal for those who prefer subtle tones. The non-sticky formula is also a big win, as some glosses can feel uncomfortable, especially in windy conditions. But there are a few cons to mention. The wear time isn't the longest. While the hydration stays, the glossy finish fades relatively quickly, so you may need to reapply. And the packaging could be slightly improved for those of us who like to have a little more precision when applying a gloss, especially on the go. Now let's talk about value for money. At first glance, ZOYA Lip Gloss might seem a bit on the pricier side, especially when compared to drugstore glosses. However, the quality of the ingredients and the added therapeutic benefits, like the hydration and protection, justify the price in my opinion. If you're someone who struggles with dry lips, this could be a worthwhile investment. When comparing it to other glosses in the market, ZOYA definitely holds its own. While there are more affordable options out there, not all of them offer the same level of hydration or comfort. If you're willing to spend a bit more for that added care, this lip gloss might be the one for you. The packaging feels sturdy, and the product itself seems to last for quite some time. It's also easy to use, with the applicator delivering just the right amount of product. I'm not sure about its shelf life, but given how well the formula is designed, I'd expect it to maintain its quality over time. In terms of customer service, I haven't had direct interaction with ZOYA's support team, but they're known for being responsive. It's always a good idea to check out reviews or contact them if you have any issues, as many beauty brands now offer solid customer service to assist with any product concerns. If you're looking for an alternative, there are a few options on the market. You could try something like Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb, which has similar hydration and wearability, or NYX's Butter Gloss for a more affordable option. While they might not have the same therapeutic claims, they can offer comparable performance for less. To wrap up, ZOYA Lip Gloss in Luvie is a solid pick for anyone who wants a lip gloss that provides more than just shine. The hydration factor is impressive, and the color is versatile enough for everyday wear. It's a great option for those who prioritize lip care without compromising on appearance. If you're willing to spend a little more for that added benefit, this is a great gloss to add to your collection. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.